Hi guys, it's me Christina and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is going to be a product review. It's a heating pad plus unboxing. So if you guys are interested, then let's go ahead and open this box. So here's the box, guys. So now let's go ahead and open this box. So here's the box, guys. So this is FitFirst XL double extra large ultra wide micro plush heating pad. So this is what it looks like inside, guys, in the picture. So now let's go ahead and open this package right here. So this one is the instructions on how to use this heating pad. So here's what it looks like, guys. So this is the heating pad. This one, I got a blue color, and this is the wire. So it says here auto off heat. This is the heat button, and this is the on and off button here. So the features of this product, guys, this is a ultra heat for pain relief, quick heating technology, ultra soft and washable, and then heat settings, then safety and warranty, and then the item weight is 1.32 pounds. This is the double extra large 20 by 24 extra large heating pad for this is for back, neck, shoulder pain relief, deep heat therapy wrap with fast heating technology, 4 heat settings, ultra soft with auto shut of sapphire blue. So product features. So this one is a FitFirst Super Soft Moist and Dry Heating Pad. FitFirst Super Soft Moist and Dry Heating Pad provides a natural pain relief solution which transfers thermal energy to the particular muscle group, dilates blood vessels and promotes blood circulations, helps alleviate stress through overuse, inflame muscles and joints, let the body relax from fatigue, soothing relief for sore muscles and other aches and pains. So this is really good, guys. I definitely love this heating pad, and this king size pad measures 20 by 24 to cover more area of your body, upper back, waist, abdomen, legs and shoulders, capable to treat larger muscles group. You can easily find the option that targets relief right where you need it. And then ultra soft velvet is gentle micro plush feels soft and comfortable on your skin, which provides great heat performance and ultimate comfort. This material conveys heat evenly, allows your body to be treated and relieved adequately. Meanwhile, the feathery soft touch makes the skin feel like to float in the clouds, bringing you an extremely comfortable experience. Now let's go ahead and we will try this out. Guys, I already plugged the cord, and then this one is the control button. So it says here auto off, and this one is the heat button, and this is the on and off button right here. So let's go ahead and turn this on. So I already turned on, guys, so it shows up here 1, so that means 1 is not, you know, really warm enough. So if you want to more warm, you just press this heat button. So we will try the 2, number 2. So this is the number 2, guys, so we will try this out. By the way, guys, this one is the heating control, so you can adjust the heat like up to 4. So let's try this. 3, 4. So I think the 4 is really warm enough, so we will try the number 2. Just press the heat. So let's go ahead and try this out. So guys, I already tried this, and for me, I really like it, guys. I definitely recommend this for you guys. And this one is when I use this, I use the 3 up to 4, and 3 and 4 is warm enough for me, guys. So yeah, this one is really nice product, guys. You should try this out. In my honest opinion, guys, I really like this heating pad, and this one, it helps you whenever you have a pain on your shoulder and in your back. So this is very helpful. I mean, the heating pad. So, and I'm glad that I got this. And this one, guys, it costs $29.99, and this one is available in Amazon. So I will leave the link in the description box, so you can check that out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. And also don't forget to click the bell button so you will be notified once I have a new video. So guys, that would be all, and I hope you had a great Christmas and New Year's. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.